What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Don't be surprised, but Samsung's One UI 7 Beta 2 has been delayed, but not by very much. December 16th is now the release date, and it's going to come out in India and some other places as well that it's already been in. But One UI 2 Beta will fix some issues with the animations. But yeah, as for just a few more days until we have to get this. So today's, I think, was that Monday? It's going to end up being Monday, yeah. Looks like it's going to be Monday. It'll be released on there, which is, I guess I'm cool with it. I'll have a video out about it, but yeah, December 16th. But Samsung has officially announced their XR glasses, extended reality glasses. These are what they look like. They are Project Muhan, and it means infinity in Korean. And a lot of people are complaining that they look like Apple Vision Pro glasses. I don't care. Those, if they look like that or something else, I'm just excited that we are getting something like this. There is some websites such as 9to5 Google and Upload VR had some actual hands-on time, and they can verify that the videos that I'm showing you are exactly what this looks like. There's no foolery, there's no anything with this. There's no tomfoolery in this. This is what it looks like when you use this headset. And it looks like you'll be able to walk around with it. Now, are you gonna look ridiculous? Yes. People with the Apple Vision Pro kind of walked around and used it. I know you can use your hands. You don't have to use a controller like you do with the, I got one right here, like you do with the Meta Quest. But this is really, really cool stuff. This looks amazing, from looking at your photos to watching movies. And this is all stuff that you can do on the Meta Quest 3. It's what you can do on an Apple Vision Pro. That, none of that's, out of this realm. But just walking around with the directions right in front of you that you can see, and, seeing notifications and interacting with that stuff makes me super excited for this. Qualcomm, Google, and Samsung have got together to make this headset. I am so looking forward to this. I love this future, because this is the future. You're not gonna end up, when this thing really pops off and goes crazy and the price drops and everybody has one of these and everyone's wearing one of these, it's not going to be this big. This is gonna look ridiculous in the next 5 or 10 years once these things get smaller, and it's just basically a pair of glasses that basically can do all of this, if not most of it. But right now, might wear this around town. I don't know. It does look a little ridiculous. I'd be a little bit embarrassed. I mean, let me be honest. But recording videos, recording photos, hopefully battery life will be better than 2 hours or so, or 3 hours. There's so many possibilities with this. I love the entertainment aspect of it. Again, I have these things. I have the Meta Quest 3. I have Apple Vision Pro. I don't even use my Apple Vision Pro, but the difference between the Apple Vision Pro and the Meta Quest 3 is Meta Quest 3 has fun, usable apps that are social and games that are just interesting and fun. Apple Vision Pro has the ease of use with just using your hands. Games, some of the games they have are pretty freaking cool as well. But it just doesn't have enough of the apps and the social experiences that I would want. Now, even entertainment-wise, it has some of those, as Disney Plus and, Apple and some other things that's cool to watch some videos, but the Meta has basically all of that. And I would expect when the Samsung version of this comes out in 2025, it could be early 2025, that's what we're hearing, that when it does, that experience is gonna be the best of both worlds. It's gonna be the best of the Apple Vision Pro, and it's gonna be the best of the Meta Quest 3, meaning I get all the apps and the fun and all the social aspect of the Meta Quest 3, but then all the really great looking video and ease of use like I do with the Apple Vision Pro. I think it's gonna really be awesome. It scares me to wonder what the price is gonna be, especially with how good it looks. I would guess this thing's probably gonna be at least $1,000. Meta Quest 3 is $400. Apple Vision Pro is what, $3,500? I have to bet this is gonna be between $1,000 and $2,000, and that's scary. But what do you guys think about this? Is this something you'd even want? You're running on Android and Google. This looks awesome, personally. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.